Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Elba local and long-distance movers near me. When you're ready to hire a top cheap Elba moving company, you need 3 Movers. Our team knows how to help you move your home, your business, or anything else. We specialize in local and long-distance moving services to give you everything you need. Let us help make your move worry-free. We provide the best options when it comes to your long-distance move, including packing services. Our professionals will do the packing and the unpacking for you to create a very convenient move. Moving supplies. We offer the very best moving and packing materials you can find. An on-time move. When you want to keep moving day on schedule, hire us. Our movers always show up at the agreed-upon time, ready to get to work. Upfront pricing. Get a free estimate with an accurate price before you hire us. Licensed and insured. Your belongings are fully protected when you work with us. Get the right moving team to help you with your long-distance move by hiring our team. We know how to make your relocation so much easier. Our team will help you move one state over or several states away. Even a local move often requires the help of an Alabama moving company. Unless you want to recruit friends and family to help with the heavy lifting, a moving company is necessary. Even with others helping you, some of your things could end up damaged. It's best to hire professional movers like 3 Movers for your local move. We offer the right services to give you a streamlined move. Our team will save you time and energy, no matter how big or small your local move will be. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Elba moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.